Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Line ID on Line app. So first of all, launch open Line application on your device. You can see over here Line application has been opened. In order to find your Line ID, you'll have to go to settings. So for that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options related with settings. So tap on this option profile that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile information. Right over here, you can see your Line ID. If you tap on the option copy, you can also copy it. So this is basically your Line ID. So that is how you find Line ID on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.